Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a folded card on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the prints button next to the videos section and go to the cards and invitees section. Go to the second section option, the folded card. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures to your card, go to the uploads button. Here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, charts, frames and more. If you go to the design section you can find different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the one side color, just tap to the green scar icon next to the design button and just select another color and done. If you want to move an item on your card, just click that and you can move. If you want to change the text, just click that and write your own text. You can edit this text. Click to the arrow next to the Amsterdam 3 button, and here you can edit the font type and the text style. If you want to change the size of your text, just click that the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.